Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Applied Thermodynamics by Mekanki with Dr. Abid Hussain. In this lecture, we are solving problem 3.11. So, the statement is 1 kilogram of air at 1.02 bar and 20 degrees centigrade is compressed reversibly according to a law P V power 1.3 is equal to constant to a pressure of 5.5 bar. Calculate the work done on the air and the heat supplied during the compression. First, we are given the process PV 1.3. It means that this is polytropic process. PV 1.3 is equal to constant. So it means from this equation it is clear that it is polytropic compression. Polytropic compression with polytropic index n is equal to 1.3. So 1 kilogram mass is 1 kg of air at 1.02 bar. Initial pressure P1 is equal to 1.02 bar and 20 degrees centigrade means initial temperature is 20 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 20 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 293 Kelvin. According to law, to a pressure of 5.5 bar, so P2 is equal to, and compression pressure is increases. Calculate the work done and the heat supplied during the compression process. For polytropic compression, for polytropic process, work done is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by n minus 1. P2 V2 is equal to RT2 according to ideal Gies equation, and P1 V1 is equal to RT1 divided by n minus 1, which is equal to R into T2 minus T1 divided by n minus 1. So here T2 is unknown, so first we find T2. So from polytropic process, T1 divided by T2 is equal to P1 divided by P2 whole power n minus 1 divided by n. So T1 is equal to 293 Kelvin, T2 is unknown, P1 is equal to 1.02 bar and P2 is equal to 5.5 bar. Whole power n minus, the value of n is 1.3, polytropic index. So this implies that 293 Kelvin divided by T2 is equal to the value of P1 divided by P2 1.02 divided by 5.5 bar is equal to 0.18545 and 1.3 minus 1 divided by 1.3 is equal to 0.23. So this implies that 293 Kelvin divided by T2 is equal to 0.678. So this implies that T2 is equal to 432 Kelvin. 432 Kelvin. This is the final temperature. And degree centigrade, subtract 273 from this value. So which is equal to 159 degrees centigrade. Now we can easily find work done. So work done is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1, sorry, RT2 minus T1, RT2 minus T1 divided by n minus 1. Here working fluid is air, and for air R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. T2 is equal to 432 Kelvin and T1 is equal to 293 Kelvin. Divided by n minus 1. The value of n is 1.3 minus 1. So work done is equal to, this is simple calculation, find the value of W, which is equal to 133 kilojoule per kilogram. And per polytropic process, the relationship between Q and W is Q is equal to n minus gamma divided by gamma minus 1 into W. Per year, gamma is equal to 1.4. So putting values in this equation and find Q. N minus gamma, the value of n is 1.3, the value of gamma is 1.4, divided by 1.4 minus 1, and the value of W is 133 kilojoule per kilogram. So Q is equal to minus 33.25 kilojoule per kilogram, and negative sign means that heat is rejected. So heat rejected is equal to 33.25 kilojoule per kilogram, and hence the problem is solved. And for more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.